It is Lisa Mason Ziegler dropping in here for you guys. So I have to just tell y'all something. It's been a long day here at the Gardener's Workshop. Lots happening, lots going on. And I just went in. It's now 5:20 here on the East Coast. I went in my house and on my front porch was a package. And I can't wait. We're going to unpack it together. But it's from my friend Maureen of the Farmhouse Flower Farm on the West Coast. And I don't know if you know what you think is in this box. I know what's in the bottom of the box, but I peeked. There's a lot of other cool stuff in here. So I thought we should open this together, right? So let's get to it. First off, this is really a beautiful box. Wait till you see the inside of this box. As a person that runs a company that purchases this kind of stuff, I have such respect for people that do this. Look at the inside of this box, y'all. Sweet peas line this box. And this is as far as I got. When I saw this and I saw the goodness that was laying in here, I thought, you know what? We're going to do this live. So I'm going to actually tilt the camera so y'all can see just a little bit better. All right, so you don't want to see me, you want to see the stuff. So she sent me this card, which I haven't opened it, y'all. See, it's sealed. Let's see what this is. Oh, look at that beautiful watercolor. Oh, the best cool flowers are the best flowers. I hope you enjoy Sweet Pea School. Did y'all know that's the name of her new book? And it's in the bottom of this box. So let's see what we have in here. First off, look at this. I looked at this and thought, oh my gosh, it's like fabric. It's a little box. Made by Mary. It's a book clip, y'all. Oh my gosh, y'all know what a bookworm I am. How beautiful. And it's got SPS on it, Sweet Pea School. How special is that? Okay. This is better than Christmas, y'all. Nobody buys me Christmas presents like this. All right, let's see what this feels like. Oh, it's a cup. The Farmhouse Flower Farm, because I drink coffee every day. Oh, a single serving pour over medium roast coffee. I may go in and fix that after the day that I've had. Look at that sweet coffee. I love coffee mugs, y'all. Oh my gosh. I'm telling you, this has just changed my whole evening. I was kind of pooped before and now I'm a little invigorated. Let's see what's in here. Look at this pretty tissue paper. Oh, y'all, so you know, this is from our friends at the Farmhouse Flower Farm. And this is a package for those of you that have just joined. I went into my house after a long day here on the farm to find this amazing package, and I want to show the inside of this box again. Look at this box. And the treasure of all this, we're getting to it. But these gifts that she included that are sweet pea, look at that sweet pea. And if I'm not mistaken, this is a cookie, y'all. Guess where I'm going to be in just a few minutes, eating this cookie and drinking some coffee. Who needs to sleep tonight, right? I mean, I'm not kidding you. I am not kidding you. What is this? This feels like a little vase for sweet peas. Y'all, you have to know that, I have to lift this up for just a minute, that, you know, I've been growing sweet peas for 27 years now here in the South where everybody said we couldn't grow them. And I mean, it started a wave over here in the South of how we can actually grow them, because there is nothing more intoxicating, as endearing and loving as a sweet pea. And I now have a sweet pea vase. you can believe we will be using this for all of our photoing of our sweet peas this spring. Oh, how beautiful is that? Now, and look here, sweet pea seeds. Very, very nice. And I love all the color. I mean, I love all the sweet peas. And friends, here it is. This is her. Oh, I just love books, y'all. Just love books. All right, so let's untie this. How sweet is this? Now, I want to say before I open this up and get carried away, let me tell you something about book purchases. No matter where you buy your book, your author gets a little benefit from it. But the maximum benefit is when you purchase books directly from the authors, because that just benefits them the most. And I just want to say, I couldn't tag her here. If anybody's in there on the comments, if you could tag at the farmhouse flower farm and she's checked, she's verified. If you would tag her here so people can get to her, you can pre-order this book on her website. And I just want to encourage you to do that. I encourage you to buy it anywhere you buy books, but there's always an added benefit when you buy it from the author. And it benefits the author so much more that way. But we're always grateful for any sales of books, right? Y'all, this is going to be, I love hardback books. Look at this book. Y'all, I spent about 30 minutes before I started this live how to mirror so y'all could see this and it wouldn't be backwards. Could not figure it out on this 16. All right, Sweet Pea School. Growing, arranging the garden's most romantic blooms. And I totally agree with that. So, it's got to place the garden of in the front. And of course, y'all, and you know what else I love? Notice that she grows out in the field too. I know she grows in houses also. But for most of us, we don't have that advantage. Oh my gosh, y'all, look at, first off, let me move my sweet pea vase out of the way. I don't want to be breaking any of this. How pretty is that? I love, whoever said they had enough white flowers. So it looks like each different variety is featured, and it rates, it rates the scent, growing information, some flower arranging. Oh, I love these types of images. I love flats, y'all. I would have made my whole book flats if they'd have let me. And she shows us how to use sweet peas in arrangements. I'm just, golly dang. See, this is what I love. I love just a vase full of just one flower. And sweet peas are no exception to that. So, Marin, oh my gosh. Y'all, this is a beautiful book. Oh my heavens, look at this. So this book is not out yet. I feel really special and honored to be one of the people that got to see this book. Oh my gosh, y'all, look at all those sweet peas. That's a wall growing of sweet peas. And if there's anybody that's going to get your game going on sweet peas, wow. Sorry, y'all, I'm kind of hogging it, aren't I? She shows you all kinds of stuff. Getting started. Oh my goodness, y'all, look at this. So friends, my recommendation to you is, and I will, if someone, because they don't save these comments, when this posts, I'm going to actually tag her, and you can get to her website from that. But you can also go to the farmhouseflowerfarm.com and pre-order this book, right? I mean, you can pre-order from all the big booksellers, whatever your favorite place is, but I'm just saying it's extra special when you buy it from the author. And I think she has an option. You can order one that's actually signed. So friends, what a gift for me today. So look, I want to again just show this box. This is what it came in. And I'm sure this is probably not the way it comes. This is a promotion box, we call them. This is what you send out to everybody for a new book. Oh, and look at the back cover. Isn't that beautiful? I mean, that is just such a gorgeous color. So, sweet peas, my friends, never go out of style. And I just encourage you to go over to our website, check it out, pre-order the book, because I'll tell you what's going to happen. It's what happened with my book. We pre-sold my book for 4 months. Nobody could believe how many we sold. The publisher sold out of the first printing in 2 days. And what that meant is there was a dry run. And so they actually reprinted at another printer here in the States to get books to fill in. What I'm saying to you is, if you want this book on the first run and not have to wait for it, you need to pre-order. You need to get in the line, because this is a gorgeous book. And, you know, we could all learn something about growing sweet peas, so I can't wait. And I just want to say thank you to her for all of these gifts. And I'm going in right now, my friends, to fix this cup of coffee, to eat this cookie. Y'all know I'm a cookie nut, right? Sweets are my thing. And just can't wait to dig in deeper with this Sweet Pea School. All right, friends, till we meet again, tell your friends about Sweet Pea School. I think it comes out later in February. This would be an awesome Mother's Day gift, wouldn't it? With a couple packs of sweet peas. All right, friends, congratulations. Your book is beautiful.